Hi, my name is Nick Palmer, and welcome to another computer tutorial video. In this computer tutorial video, I'll be teaching you about Boolean logic. All Boolean logic is it's a form of algebraic notation that is commonly used in GameMaker and Visual Studio. It was developed by George Boole in the 1840s. And you may be asking yourself, why is this relevant? Well, soon in class we're going to be starting a project that requires AI, or artificial intelligence, in the game, and this will help you greatly. The first operator that I want to show you is addition, and it's very easy. It's just x plus 2. Same with subtraction, it's x minus 4, multiplication, and division. The only thing is that with Boolean logic, this type of division can only be done with whole integer numbers. So, the first real one that I want to show you is plus plus, and this is the only one that you shouldn't be unfamiliar with so far. So, you may be wondering, why am I using a different program than GameMaker? Well, here's why. It's a lot easier for me to show you how Boolean logic works in this program than it would be in GameMaker. So, I'm going to show you in this program, but it works exactly the same in GameMaker. So here, I've set up a program that sets x equal to 2. Don't worry about the double and all of this stuff up here. That's irrelevant. Then I have our Boolean logic right here, which says x plus plus, which just adds 1 to x. Then I write out the value of x, and then I pause. So if x equals 2, when I run this program, it just adds 1 to x and gives us 3. Simple enough. Now, the next one I want to show you is subtracts 1, which is just minus minus, and it works the same way. I can just sub that in and run it, and now we have 1 when x was originally set to 2. The next one that I want to show you is plus equals, and this is the same as x plus whatever's behind the equal sign. So here I can say x plus equals 1. This is basically the same as saying x plus 1. Which is fairly simple. So, when I run it, we once again get 3. But I could replace this with something like 200, and instead we'd get 202. And it works the same way with subtracts. It just subtracts the integer that's behind the equal sign. Minus equals 1. Now when I run the program, we get 1 because x was set to 2, and then this Boolean logic here tells the program exactly what to do, which is subtract 1. And once again, I could say subtract 200, and there's my result. Now, I want to show you another thing. It's divide equals, and it's the same thing. So I could say divide equals to 2, and here we would get 1, because 2 divided by 2 is 1. But if I put in something like 100, and remember to keep my syntax correct, we would get something like 0.02. And it's the same thing. It's just x divided by whatever is behind the equals sign, which in this case is 100. And the very last one that I want to show you is asterisk equals. And this should also be slightly familiar to you, because I could say x asterisk equals 2. And then we would get 4. Because I just said x times 2. X was equal to 2 before, so x times 2 is 4. Like that. And once again, I could change it to something like 200. And keep my syntax correct for once. I would get something like 400. And these will all work the exact same way as they do in GameMaker almost 100% of the time. So don't be worried about this, because it's just an easier method of showing you how to work this. And as always, thanks for watching.